Hello again, welcome to your latest update from the Met Office. For some, it's a pretty bleak day out there. Heavy and persistent rain over parts of southeast Scotland and northern England. We have a Met Office yellow warning in place. Further disruption is possible as those rainfall totals continue to build up. For many, though, it's something a bit brighter. Blustery, yes, a gusty wind blowing with a mixture of sunshine and showers. The bigger picture tells the story. Big swirl of clouds sitting across the UK. Another one out in the Atlantic, but in between a bit of a window, and this will bring some sunshine for many of us tomorrow. But before we get there, we do have to deal with this low sitting right across the UK. It brought some torrential rain through the night and is still providing some rain as it slowly slips out into the North Sea. The weather front's wrapping around it, bringing persistent rain to parts of southeast Scotland and northern England. As I said, there is a Met Office yellow warning in place, feeling pretty grim under that persistent rain with temperatures really struggling. Elsewhere, turning a bit brighter, some sunny spells for Wales, southwest England, with a few showers likely, and just one or two scattered showers for western Scotland and Northern Ireland with some decent spells of sunshine here. But it is blustery and the wind's coming down from the north, so it's a cool feel. Even in the sunny spells, we're only looking at 15, maybe 16 in the south, but stuck under that persistent rain, 11 or 12 at best. And for much of the day, we'll probably be in single figures. So, as I said, feeling pretty bleak here. Those winds an added feature, and those winds likely to strengthen down the east coast during this evening, so very gusty for a time as that rain slowly pulls out into the North Sea. For many, it will be a dry night, certainly for much of central and western Britain, clear skies. Still a bit of a breeze, but as the winds ease off, that will allow temperatures to drop off, so it will turn quite cool. Temperatures widely down to single figures, and in rural parts of northwest England, Northern Ireland and Scotland, there could be some pockets of frost. So a chilly start to Wednesday, but a much brighter day overall. For many, it's going to be a sunny, slightly fresh morning. There will still be a gusty wind along those North Sea coasts, but a much drier day for Yorkshire up to southeast Scotland with some good spells of sunshine. Through the day, we will see cloud invading from the west and some outbreaks of rain pushing into Northern Ireland through the afternoon and eventually into the western side of Scotland. Clouding over for West Wales and southwest England too. But as I said, for many, it's dry and bright with sunny spells. Still coolish on the eastern side with that brisk wind. But even here, temperatures higher than today's values, and most places feeling quite a bit warmer than today, with temperatures up to 16, 17 degrees and crucially lighter winds. We are going to see that wet weather, though, push into Northern Ireland through the afternoon, and then during the evening, it'll turn wetter across western Scotland. A bit of drizzly rain for a time through West Wales, maybe southwest England, but the main focus for rain will be in the northwest. And that's going to continue through the rest of this week. As we run through the sequence, one area of low pressure is clearing away, yes, but one out in the Atlantic. Certainly its weather fronts continue to dominate, and this train of a weather front will continue to throw rain into parts of Northern Ireland and western Scotland. Some uncertainty about the exact detail at this stage, but the potential for the rainfall totals to really build up through Wednesday night, Thursday and Friday. So there is the possibility of some disruption from this persistent band of rain, particularly, say, over western Scotland. Elsewhere, it's high pressure dominating, so many other places will be dry. In fact, if we rewind that sequence and run through it again, this low pressure system is also bringing with it a lot of tropical air, so it's going to turn much warmer. So after a cold night into Wednesday morning, the rest of the nights this week will be much milder. And by day, where we see any sunny spells, temperatures could be up to 20 Celsius. So quite interesting weather to end this week. Some very heavy rain in the northwest. Most other places are looking dry, though, after today's weather clears away. And it will also become warmer. But at this time of year with lighter winds, we're also likely to see some mist and fog. So plenty going on. Keep up to date with Met Office warnings. Best way to do that, of course, is to follow us on social media or, of course, download our app.